Another thing.
Oh, that video.
Yeah. The it's like it's like kind of educational.
Get out of that crack, John.
I don't know what you're talking about. This is not even a crack. This is just my house. I live in voids in the rock like a bird or a snake or a bat or a reptile or a spider.
Can you stop taking acid before you come on?
Thank you. What is some high quality rock right here?
Nice.
Look at these jugs. What a privilege to clip this bolt high. Thanks for hanging them, Dave. Do, do, do. All right. Where's my next foot gonna go? Maybe here. Here though. Some grippy goodness. Grippy, grippy.